Hi friends, welcome back. I'm here at the Home Depot out in the garden center. They have new fall plants out and I can't wait to share them with you. So if that sounds like something you want to see, stay tuned. This beauty here is by Home Depot and it is called Holly Blue Princess. It is a part sun plant and it is deer resistant. Let's see the price. It is $29.98 in a 3-gallon pot. It gets 5 to 10 feet tall by 6 to 8 feet wide. You want to space it 5 to 8 feet apart. The habit is upright. Hardiness -20 Fahrenheit. On this beauty here. Really nice with the berries. Ooh, pretty. Southern Arrowwood. Another 3-gallon pot for $29.98. It is a part sun shrub. So this one blooms late spring to summer. You need to space it 4 to 6 feet apart. It's -40 Fahrenheit. Such a beauty. And this one. I couldn't wait to get to this one. Another 3-gallon pot for $24.98. This is the Smoke Tree Royal Purple. It is also deer resistant and it is a full sun plant. It blooms early to late summer. You need to space it 10 to 12 feet apart. Hardiness -20 Fahrenheit and water weekly, more often until roots established. Juniper Old Gold is in a 3-gallon pot for $26.98. It is a full sun shrub. It gets 36 inches tall. You want to space it 6 feet apart. The hardiness is -30 Fahrenheit. Water weekly, more often until roots established. On the beautiful Juniper Old Gold. Oh yes, beautiful. So here is another one. It is called Juniper Sea Green. It is a full sun shrub and it gets 3 to 5 feet tall. It is deer resistant and drought tolerant. Spacing is 4 to 6 feet apart and the hardiness is -30 Fahrenheit. This variegated beauty here is called Cool Splash. It is a dwarf bush honeysuckle. It is a full sun shrub. The zone is 4. The size is 2.5 to 4.5 feet tall and wide. It is deer resistant and drought tolerant. It is in a 3-gallon pot and it is $34.98. Another beauty. This one is by Proven Winners and it is called Winecraft Gold Smoke Bush. It is in a 3-gallon pot for $34.98. It is a full sun shrub. The zone is 5 through 8. It gets 4 to 6 feet tall and 4 feet wide. Now that's going to be really pretty. Oh yes. I'm already in love with that one. It's called Japanese Pieris Valley Valentine. It gets 2 to 6 feet tall. It blooms mid to late spring. You want to space it 5 feet apart. Hardiness is -30 Fahrenheit. And yes, it's $29.98 and this is a 3-gallon pot by Home Depot. This one is the False Cypress for $29.98, another 3-gallon pot, and it's a full sun shrub. It gets 4 to 6 feet tall. You want to space it 36 to 48 inches apart. Water when dry and the hardy is -30. False Cypress. I love this. Love that color. And right next to it is the Japanese Holly for $24.98. It is a sun to part shade shrub. And let's see, it gets 4 to 6 feet tall and wide. You want to space it 4 to 6 feet apart. Water when dry and hardy is -20. This one is called Blue Star Juniper for $12.98. It's a sun to part shade plant. It gets 24 to 36 inches tall. and wide. You want to space it 36 to 48 inches apart. Water when dry, and the hardy is minus 30. Minus 30 on this one. And this container is a 1 gallon. Okay, this one is Mugo Pine for $12.98. It's a full 2-part shade shrub. It gets 3 to 15 feet tall. Wow, that's a big difference, tall and wide. You want to space it 4 to 15 feet apart, water when dry, and the hardy is minus 40. Ooh, this is a beautiful shrub here, guys. This one is the False Holly Joshiki for $14.98. It is a part sun shrub. It is deer resistant and it is drought tolerant. It gets 42 inches tall. So this one blooms late summer through fall. You want to space it 3 to 5 feet apart, and the hardiness is 0. It is 0, guys, on this one. Another Home Depot plant. This plant is the English laurel. It is a part sun shrub. It gets 36 to 48 inches tall. Blooms mid to late spring. You want to space it 8 feet apart. Hardiness is minus 10. Yes, and this one is $39.98, 3-gallon pot. This is beautiful. Oh, so beautiful. This beautiful crepe myrtle is $54.98, and this is in a 7-gallon pot. It is a crepe myrtle BD red, black diamond red. Okay, so it's an annual in zone 6 and a perennial in zone 7 through 10. The mature size is 12 feet tall and 8 feet wide. Full to part sun. Water usage is drought tolerant once established. For the beautiful black diamond crepe myrtle, best red. Another crepe myrtle right beside it, and this one is $64.98 in a 7-gallon pot. It is full sun. It gets 15 to 20 feet tall and 10 to 15 feet wide. 0 Fahrenheit to 10 Fahrenheit. U.S. zone is 7 through 9. This one is called Miss Frances Crepe Myrtle. Oh yes, it is so beautiful. I like the green leaves with the red flowers. Oh, so beautiful. Oh yes. A crepe myrtle here by Proven Winners, and this one is called Center Stage Coral. Yes, it is $39.98. It was $59.98, and this one is in a 5-gallon pot. It says special buy. Okay, so the zone is 7 through 9. It gets 6 to 12 feet tall and 8 feet wide on this beautiful Center Stage Coral. We have a few fruit trees out here. This one is a nectarine. It needs full sun. It gets 14 to 30 feet tall. So you want to space this one 15 to 25 feet apart. Hardiness is minus 20. Yes, it is $29.98, guys, for the nectarine. This is a plum tree. It is a full sun tree. It gets 14 to 30 feet tall. It is $29.98. It gets 15 feet tall. Hardiness minus 20. Another good tree, English boxwood. It is $12.98. It is the green velvet. It gets 3 to 5 feet tall and wide. You want to space it 18 to 24 inches apart. Water when dry, and the hardy is minus 10. Yes, and this is a gallon. This is a gallon-sized pot. This is the dwarf arborvitae little giant. It is a full sun shrub for $12.98. So this one gets 24 to 30 inches tall and wide. You want to space it 36 inches apart, and hardiness minus 40. Yes. $12.98, guys. I like that price. Oh yes. We can go shopping now. Let's see here. This tree, it is called Oakland Holly. It is a full sun to part shade tree. It gets 15 to 20 feet tall and 12 to 15 feet wide, minus 10 to 0, and the zone is 6 through 9. Okay, let's see what the price is. Yes, this is a 15-gallon pot for $130. Okay, for this one. Beautiful aster. And this one is $9.98. It is a perennial and it is a full sun perennial. It gets 12 to 18 inches tall and wide. You want to space it 18 to 24 inches apart. Hardy is minus 30 and it blooms mid-summer to fall. And this is a 3.2 quart size. So they have this one, this color. They have that color, which is so beautiful. And they have this pretty purple here. Absolutely beautiful. $9.98. Stone crop for $16.98. It's a full sun perennial. It gets 1 to 18 inches tall and wide. You want to space it 8 inches apart. Hardy minus 20, and it blooms early to late summer. This is a 1.5-gallon pot for $16.98. Oh yes, really pretty. Garden Moms in the hanging pots for $10.98. They also have these over here that's in the gray hanging pot for $16.98. And look at these guys. Oh my goodness. On these moms, guys, the original price is $6.98, but they're on sale now for $4.88. Yes, we love that. So this one is a 3-quart size. All of these guys. Yes, $4.88. Love it. Ah, look at that color there. How beautiful. Ooh-wee. That is just so pretty. Oh my goodness. It is so much out here to see, guys. So we will definitely be back soon. So over here they have the crotons for $7.88 and the coleuses for $14.88. They have this coleus here and this coleus here. Absolutely beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. This Garden Mom combo is $32.98. Really pretty. Yes. Okay, so they have pansies out, guys. The purple pansy, the pansies are $3.98. This is a 1.3 quart size. It's going to get 6 to 8 inches tall and wide. You want to space it 6 inches apart. Yeah, $3.98. They have it in the purple, the yellow, and then they have the mixed one here, $3.98. It's mixed with the purple, white, and the yellow. They also have this color, this burgundy, for $3.98. Miss Pansy. And they have more coleuses over here. This one is $12.98. And this is a 12-pack here. And they have that one. And they have this one. And Xena. Oh, yes. Oh, this is beautiful. It is $12.98 as well, guys, for 12. Oh, Love these. So pretty. Ooh. This ornamental cabbage kale. It is $4.98 for a 3.1 gallon size. So this one gets 10 to 12 inches tall and wide. You want to space it 12 inches apart. Yes, $4.98. So they have this one with more purple on the inside, and then this one just, is all green. Absolutely beautiful. These moms, they're $12.98 in this cute little pot, the brown pot and the gray pot. This mom here, this beautiful red, is $17.98 in a 2.2 gallon pot. So nice. Let's look at the peppers. The peppers are $14.98. All at the Home Depot. Okay, guys, well, that's it for today at the Home Depot. Thank you all so much for stopping by. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a big thumbs up. Share it with your friends and your family. And also, guys, subscribe to the channel. All of my previous videos that I've done, I have them linked below. So, yeah, I hope you all enjoy them all, and I'll see you in the next one.